how to scan QR code on CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you scan QR code on CapCut. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open CapCut application with your account. Alright, so after you open the CapCut application with your account, you will got such interface. So now from here you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. And now from this section you'll have to just tap on this three line just at the top right corner, so simply tap on it. Alright, so now from here you will be able to find the option like scan, so it will appear at the top right corner, so simply you have to tap on this scan option. Alright, so now from here you can easily scan QR code on your CapCut application. So this is the easiest and simplest method to scan QR code. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.